Guys, welcome back to the blockchain today. In today's video I'm going to walk you through the Bitcoin price action, and we are going to have a look at some different charts like the stablecoins dominance chart, S&P 500, and basically that's going to be it. Guys, let me refresh whaleportal real quick, check if we can see any interesting signs over there. Funding rates are still positive, okay? We don't see any crazy change in the exchange balance, right? No crazy increase, nor a crazy decrease. Premium is right now hovering around zero. That's fine. Open interest is going down while price is going down. That is all okay. So there are not crazy warning signals right now over in the derivative exchange data, right? That is the extra dimension that we are using into our analysis. But right now, let's go to the technical structure, the price structure of Bitcoin. And we actually have been very successful in predicting Bitcoin for the past couple of days just based on this chart. And for the ones that are not understanding this chart, before you want to understand this chart, you gotta scroll below this video and you gotta drop that like button. Otherwise, you are not going to understand this chart, guys, okay? No, joking. But this is a inverse correlation with Bitcoin because this chart shows the dominance of the stablecoins. So when this chart goes up, more liquidity is in stablecoins. When this chart goes down, more liquidity is leaving stablecoins, okay? So when it goes down, it's bullish for Bitcoin because liquidity can go into Bitcoin. When this goes up, it means liquidity goes from Bitcoin into the stable. So when this one goes up, it's actually bearish. And I've said yesterday, and this is the most important signal right now, and I'm sticking to that, guys. As long as this uptrend in the relative strength index on the daily time frame holds, I'm going to assume that we are going to bounce right here, which is an assumption that Bitcoin is going to correct further. And this aligns perfectly with the S&P 500 coming down right here, maybe even losing the support in the relative strength index too. Bitcoin coming down to the middle of the channel. We have a sell signal on Orion's belt, bearish divergence. I do believe that we can see a further drop, maybe to the levels right here, 22. That is going to be the support of the channel. If we lose the middle, that is the middle is 23.8k roughly, and then the support will be at 22,200 roughly. Okay, if we break that to the downside, we can see a further decline and we could test this level, guys, depending actually this form resistance, which should turn into support if we want to remain bullish. Depending on where in time we are going to meet that, but that would hover around $20,000. Do take in mind that the 60-day cycle also is getting closer and closer, and based on timing we are going to wait on that. I'm going to try and catch a nice long position over there. I will share that exact long position over on WhaleAlerts. Guys, WhaleAlerts is an extra service that we are offering with automated signals based on the charts of whaleportal, with extra content that I'm creating now and then, extra videos, altcoins that we are publishing there. Right now you can join WhaleAlerts just by joining Bybit with the affiliate link down below and submitting your user ID, email address and Telegram handle, and then you will be invited for the WhaleAlerts Telegram channel where you can receive this extra information. Do take in mind, guys, that you do have to sign up on Bybit using this, clicking on that image or with the affiliate link down below this video, and you gotta deposit something minimal in the dollar equivalent of around $100, then submit your user ID. That is the best way, because then we can see directly if you meet the criteria and we will put you in the alerts channel. Guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button. If you are new, welcome and congratulations, because this channel will help you during the next bull market to outperform everybody else in the markets, because we adding multiple dimensions to our trading game, like derivatives exchange data and time cycles, which is very unique and almost nobody is talking about that or has that knowledge. Guys, thank you all for watching. I want to wish you all a great day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.